Hi everyone. This is just a really quick video to show you about looking at your grades and knowing if there's something that you need to resubmit. Okay, so we did look at this a little bit in class, but I'll just go over it again. So when you sign in, you'll want to come here to grades. Click on that, and here you'll see the work that you've done. In this case, this is just, notice it's test student, right? So I haven't actually done these and there's missing assignments. So if it says missing, you might have a 0 score here, and that would mean that you haven't done the work yet, right? Otherwise, if you have done the work, it might say late. If you submitted late, as you know, I will accept your late work. However, that status will never go away of it being late. So the important thing is to look at the score here. So if I've graded yours and given yours a score, then you will have a score here, like we see in recording 1 up here. Okay. If you have no score, but you did submit, you want to look for this little comment box here, right? This is whatever I had to say. If I asked you to resubmit, that information, the reason why I want you to resubmit will be right here. So let's click on that. And here you'll see my comments. The S sound is good, but the ED needs some practice. Listen to your own recording again and then practice with the CD, resubmit your recording. Okay, and then once you resubmit, I will get a notification that I can then go in and check the new work that you've done. All right, so if you have, I'm going to close this. If you have some scores that are not yet completed, but you know that you've done a recording, please go and look for the comments, okay? This information is there. You can do the same thing if you are working on your cell phone. When you go back, you just click on the recording, and down at the bottom, it will say something like files, comments. There's one other thing. I can't think of what it is, but you can look at this. You can see the same thing on your phone where it says comments. Okay. So please have a look at that. This will help you to know, right, which of your recordings you need to resubmit. And don't worry if you're resubmitting, right? The idea behind all of this is that you practice, and just because you practice one time or you record one time doesn't mean that you're going to nail it and get it 100%. I don't need you to get 100%, but I am focusing on the main point of each of the lessons. And if there's something that I think that you can work a little bit harder or spend a little bit more time improving, then I'm going to go ahead and ask you just to try that again. Okay? Okay, so I found the Canvas on your phone, what the app looks like on your phone. And just to show you here again, this is the test student. This is not anybody's specific grades, which is why you can see there's like nothing scored here. Anyway, when you go to our class, you will click on grades, and it will pull up all the different assignments that you've had to do. You click on one of the assignments. If there's no grade, again, remember that means that either I haven't got to it yet or that I've asked you to resubmit. So you would do that. You would check in on one of those that doesn't have a score yet, and you'll get this screen, okay? So you'll see here in blue where it says submission and rubric, and then you click on that. And if you have submitted, I think that the file will show up here. But look down at the bottom right here, it says comments. If you click on comments, whatever I have had to say about your recording will show up there. Okay, so sorry, this was just the Canvas app on your phone version of what I was trying to show you about checking your grades. All right, bye.